So about a week and a half ago or so, my beautiful wife Haley and I went to our local flea market like we do all the time, looking for stuff we could buy super cheap that we can flip online for a profit. We actually bought 98% of the stuff that day from one single flea market vendor. He was an eBay seller that brought like excess surplus items out to the flea market, and we filled up our entire wagon with really cool stuff from him. So we'll jump into that footage in just a second. While you guys are doing this video, I'm going to clean up our warehouse a little bit because it's just out of hand. We've got boxes, we've got inventory. This is just a bag of like packing paper that I've been wanting to get rid of for a while. So I've got to clean this up a little bit. We'll give you guys an update that in just a second. Also, I have a very important announcement. Stick around to the end of the video to hear what that is. Oh, we got some frutas. Pineapple. How do you say pineapple in Spanish? Piña? Piña. That's right. That sounds right. $1 each. Let's look at the page. St. John's Bay, Gucci Billie Eilish. Oh, what is this? The fresh class of 2021. Okay, we can leave. There's a reason it's cheap, folks. Foreman grill. It's got some foot on there.
Oh God! It slipped.
Fish America. Napa.
$2 on the hats.
Okay. I'll get those two. Those are cool.
You want an Odyssey putter?
Odyssey putter.
Head cover?
What is it? 10.
$1 piece on those.
Okay. I think these Cortez are from 1999. What you got on these little shoes here?
10 on those.
10. Doritos Cool Ranch. Look at there. Arguably the best flavor Dorito. It's a Swatch bag. That's interesting. Swatch. Is that 5?
5 on that piece.
That's cool. Patagonia. It's large. What you got on this?
I'll do 5 on that. The zipper's broke now.
Zipper's broke.
The little tab.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if you can fix it or not.
So it still zips, it just needs a tab.
Yeah, it just needs a
We got
tab.
Wes. He's a welder. Think he can weld a zipper on?
Oh, cool.
Or Taz.
Wow.
It's all tagged. It's real stuff.
Band-Aids. All I'm drinking now.
Yeah, I believe those are brand new. Those.
Yeah.
Those mugs.
I'll do 5 on those.
This Malta Extreme. I think we just might spend all of our money with you today.
That sounds good.
I bet it does. I know it looked like I just threw that Lego set back down, but we actually did buy it. You only wanted a couple bucks for it, and it's actually already sold over on Whatnot for $17, giving us like 12 bucks in profit. I didn't know they were Ralph
Yeah,
Lauren.
it's in the box. Yeah. They're all 4 in the box.
Yeah, that's cool. I thought it was just a horse mug. Austin Powers Mini-Me. He's got all sorts of stuff. Wheels FAO shorts.
Where's our pile? Is this our pile right here?
Yeah, but not the posters. Everything above the posters. The seller was asking 20 bucks for this set of Hot Wheel cars, which I thought was a little expensive, but we did buy it and it ended up selling a Whatnot for $40, making us $35.08 after fees. More Tasta purple.
Isn't this the raisin guy?
I think it's supposed to be the racing guy, but he looks a little.
He's a little rough. He's seen better days. Ooh,
Pizza Hut. We could get these for our house. Vintage
Pizza Hut?
Pizza. Made in USA Pizza Hut cups. All right. See anything else?
Is this your pile?
Yep.
Are we done?
I think so. 2 rooms? Oh, ET rooms. Huh. I thought we were done, but now I kind of want to look over here.
There's more stuff. I got tons of stuff.
He was only asking a couple bucks for this Fighting Nun puppet, which I thought was super cool. Sells for about 18 bucks on eBay. We were able to get 23 for it on Whatnot.
Was it for sale or it's
Sealed Oak Ridge Boys. You can get that graded. Do people grade sealed cassettes?
Do they really?
I've never seen one. All right, I think we're good. No need to tally it up. I'll just give you 20 bucks. We'll call it a day. I'm just kidding.
He's joking.
So you got 3 of these shirts.
10.
Jacket.
Two.
I think he said 5 on that. But
Yeah,
I do have to.
the zipper's broke. That's why I got 2.
2. Okay.
Yeah.
Got the
So
swatch
that's
bag.
12,
Yeah.
18. 18 total.
Okay.
2 hats.
$20 piece on those.
Okay.
20. I said 10 on those.
Yep.
So that's 30. 20 on this.
Yep.
So that's 50. 55. 56, 57. 58. 59. 60. 65. 70. 75, 80, 85, 90. $100 for all of it.
$100. I'll do it. Sounds good.
A little haul.
Good little haul. Almost filled the wagon. Where'd you get all this stuff? Do you have a store or something?
eBay sell it.
Oh, nice. This is your leftovers.
Leftover stuff.
60, 80, 100. Thanks, man.
All right,
Appreciate it. Do you still sell on eBay, or is this you closing shop?
No, I still sell. I got a store. It's Department 224.
Okay, cool.
Check me out.
Yeah. Quick little update for you guys. I did go ahead and start cleaning the warehouse. It was just getting out of hand, honestly. It was getting to where we couldn't even move around, like the part of our warehouse that is used for our reselling business. We had new inventory we hadn't processed yet. We had shipping supplies. We had the remnants of the $2,500 mystery pallet still sitting in the middle of the warehouse. It was getting to a point where we couldn't even walk. So this was a much needed cleaning day. And I would encourage you guys, if your work area is cluttered to the point where it's affecting your productivity or the way you work, just take a day or at least a couple hours, get everything cleaned up. I promise you, you'll feel better. Look at this. Whoops.
Yes, sir.
Dr. Pepper. Dr. Pepper thing. There used to be a clock. That's really cool, though.
Look, yeah, I know what you mean.
We could get a new clock thing for it.
Would you really get in
I think so. What do you want on the Dr. Pepper side?
10. I don't know how old it is. Obviously, the clock's missing, but
Yeah.
probably put another one in there.
Yeah, I'll do 10 on that. There you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Probably go to one of these craft places and buy
Yeah, I think it'd
a
be
clock
pretty easy.
and have an old one you stick in there.
Yeah. Shouldn't be too difficult. Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
This AR-15 multi-tool carry kit. That looks cool. It's like a multi-tool for guns. What you got on the multi-tool?
30 on
30. What do you got for the headset right there? Turtle Beach.
I've been asking 70 on it because it was one of the higher end ones and
Yeah. Mine broke the other day, and I just haven't played video games since then. I was like, I'm sure I'll find one eventually. That looks all. Yeah.
Every 6 or 7 games on it.
Yeah.
Big Dog and stuff like that.
Do you mind if I cut this open? It doesn't look like factory tape.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's broke too. Yeah, that one's broken.
Is it?
Yeah.
I never opened it up. Never
Yeah.
opened it. The motor
Bummer.
was broken.
You do 22 on the multi-tool.
Yeah, I guess so.
So, I'll do 23. How about that?
Thank you.
There you go. Thanks, man. I appreciate the deal.
No problem. And
Let's
thanks
see if
for
we can-
telling me about that. I wouldn't know why I had it.
Yeah, I would have bought it from you if it worked. It might still work. You might can fix it. I don't know.
What was
But the earpiece.
Oh, yeah, I see it now.
Yeah, it's the same thing that broke on mine. It's just when you put it on your head. My head's so big, I think I was stretching mine out too much, and it finally broke. All right, thanks, man. So shout out that one guy who sold us, I don't know, like 95% of this.
our entire wagon, basically.
Pretty much. Pretty much. So after I got the warehouse nice and clean where we can walk around in here, now Haley and I decided to go ahead and ship out our last Whatnot show. We had a ton of support from you guys over there. We actually did a charity auction this morning with Haley's cousin. She painted some rocks, and we raised money for our Honduras mission trip, and you guys were super supportive on Whatnot. We raised, what was it, $1,462 by selling these hand-painted rocks over here.
Shout out to our girl Charlotte.
Charlotte, she signed all of them. She's very appreciative. She was very surprised that we were able to raise so much money. So you guys are awesome for that. Speaking of other awesome people, we have these Japanese Red Bulls here, Japanese energy drinks, and some candy from a very nice person named Jeff Gansman. I think he's in the military in the Navy in Japan, and he sent us this letter and a care package in our P.O. box, sent us all these different Red Bulls and candies, and
We are so excited to try this.
very excited. Let's see, we got Ocean Blast.
What about this bottle of power drink?
What flavor?
Blue.
Blue's not a flavor.
It says flavor, Blue Blast.
Oh, Blue Blast. Yes. Put that in the trunk.
Something in Japanese, Groovy Fizz, which sounds delicious, and this one just says chill out. Mose, come here. I just swept in here. Yes, I just swept in here, and you're bringing in all your dadgum caterpillars in your tail and in your undercarriage. Look at all that. Smells good. No, Mose, you wouldn't like it. It's spicy. Does it taste more groovy or more fizzy?
It tastes, I feel like Groovy Fizz is cherry related, maybe?
It's good.
I can't like pick up what flavor it is.
I don't know. It's very, very interesting.
Yeah.
It is red colored, red pink. So something. Now we got to try the chill out. It looks like a Red Bull, but it's not. This is just an energy drink. It's got.
Oh, is it an energy drink?
Yeah,
or is it just a chill out?
It's not a Red Bull. That's not good. That is not good at all. Yeah. What is that?
I have no idea.
Don't care for that one. This one I'll give an 8 out of 10. Cheesecake Kit Kat?
Oh, mine won't come open.
That's pretty good. Very similar to an actual Kit Kat. I mean, cheesecake. All right, we're gonna save the coffee break and the other 2 Red Bulls for a future video. But Jeff, thanks so much for sending
you.
us that stuff all the way from Japan. Really appreciate it. And
I liked it.
it was good.
Josh may not have.
It was good. Overall, 8 out of 10. Okay, I told you guys. Hey, that's my spot. I told you guys that we had.
I'm in the front and you're in the back. Wait.
We'll get even. There
Bumper
we go.
boats.
I told you guys we had a
Bumper
very
boats.
important announcement, and the announcement is that Flipcon, the in-person reseller networking event that us and Caleb, Phoenix Resale, hosted last year, is a go for 2023, and tickets will be available tomorrow, the day after this goes live, Monday, April something. The first Monday in April at 10 a.m.
Monday,
Eastern.
April 3rd
April
at 10
3rd,
a.m.
10 a.m.
And Eastern.
10
a.m. Eastern.
We didn't really make any videos about Flipcon last year. I did have one YouTube video that we made after the fact. I'll link that up here somewhere. But it's an in-person reseller network event. There's going to be a lot of speakers from the reselling community there. It's a 2.5-day event. All your meals are included. Lots of freebies. Most of the meals, like 5 meals over the course of 2.5 days. It's just a really fun time. We were kind of nervous going into it last year because we had never done an event before and we didn't know what to expect, but it went over super well. Everybody was really happy, and I think a lot of people that came last year are going to come back again this year. There's only, I think we have 300 tickets available. We don't know if they'll sell out or not, but last year we sold 275 tickets, so I don't know, it'll be close. So if you're interested in coming, definitely check it out. It's going to be Charlotte, North Carolina, August 9th through the 11th, also the 12th. It ends on the 11th at like 10 p.m. or something like that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you've enjoyed it, hit the like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below as well. Thank you guys again for watching. You're the best. We will catch you on the next one.